Good morning, guys. I am here in Mykonos at the Santa Marina Resort, which is one of the most beautiful properties on the island. It has a private beach, which is spectacular. The location of this resort is exceptional because it's protected from the winds. It's also home to the first Buddha bar beach, and it's a lovely destination. I can't wait to show you more, so come and explore Mykonos with me. Perched on its own private peninsula overlooking Ornos Bay, Santa Marina is one of Mykonos' most iconic luxury resorts. This year, the resort celebrates 40 years of hospitality. Its story began in 1986 when Elais saw the potential of a quiet Mykonian hillside where only a small chapel, a traditional windmill, and a pigeon house stood. His vision was to create a luxury resort that embraced the beauty of the Cyclades while offering genuine Greek hospitality and a complete privacy. In 1999, Santa Marina joined the luxury collection by Starwood Hotels and Resorts, becoming part of one of the world's most prestigious luxury hotel portfolios. Following Marriott International's acquisition of Starwood in 2016, the resort became part of the Marriott's luxury collection, where it continues to welcome guests from around the world while remaining true to its family heritage under the leadership of Christiana Papageorgiou. Today, Santa Marina is home to Mykonos' only private sandy beach, beautifully protected from the famous Meltemi winds, making it one of the island's most sought-after luxury escapes. We arrived early in the morning, well before check-in, so we completed the registration process and were told that someone would personally escort us to the suite once it was ready. With a little time before then, we headed to Elais Restaurant for breakfast, which I'll show you in much more detail later because it truly deserves its own moment. One thing I always notice in luxury hotels is the attention to small details. Walking through the lobby, the fresh flower arrangements immediately caught my eye. They add such warmth to the space and create a lovely first impression before you even reach your room. The lobby itself feels elegant yet relaxed, perfectly reflecting the understated luxury that Santa Marina is known for. Here's just a little preview of breakfast, but don't worry, we'll come back later because there's plenty more to show. While waiting for our suite to be ready, we had the opportunity to tour the resort and to see several different accommodation categories. This is something that I often do because of my professional involvement in the hospitality industry. We first visited one of the deluxe rooms. At around 30 square meters, these rooms combine contemporary Cycladic design with beautiful sea views from their private balconies or terraces, making them ideal for couples looking for a stylish island escape. Next, we stepped inside one of the luxury suites with a private pool. At approximately 70 square meters, these spacious one-bedroom suites feature a separate living room, landscaped gardens, and a private infinity pool overlooking the Aegean. They offer an extra level of privacy while still enjoying all the facilities of the resort. I'm going to guide you and show you some of the room types that you can experience here at the resort. One of them are the garden villas. They have spectacular views of the sea and the yachts, and really great accommodation, which is also ideal for families because the rooms can be interconnected. Let's go and see it up close. Throughout each accommodation category, you'll notice the same design philosophy. Natural stone, warm wood, soft neutral colors, and elegant marble create interiors that feel luxurious without being overwhelming. Large windows constantly draw your attention back to what really matters here, and that's the incredible sea views. Up next, let me show you the adults-only Oasis pool, one of my favorite areas of the resort. Positioned above the private beach, the infinity pool almost blends into the Aegean beyond, while the floating cabanas create one of Santa Marina's most photographed settings. The Oasis pool bar serves cocktails, smoothies, and an all-day menu, making it very easy to spend an entire afternoon here. Families have their own dedicated pool beside Elais Restaurant, together with a separate children's play area and a small pool nearby. It creates a wonderful balance within the resort, giving families their own space while also allowing adults to enjoy the quieter atmosphere around the Oasis pool. Next to the Oasis infinity pool, you'll find the Ginkgo Spa, a beautiful wellness sanctuary covering almost 500 square meters. Named after the ancient ginkgo biloba tree, a symbol of longevity and harmony, the spa has been designed to create an immediate sense of calm. I especially love the gentle flowing water that accompanies you as you walk through the spa towards the relaxation area. It immediately slows the pace. The facilities include 4 treatment rooms, a traditional hammam, sauna, steam room, beauty salon, Pilates reformer studio, and a fully equipped techno gym fitness center that's open 24 hours a day. They also offer EMS personal training sessions for guests looking for a more intensive workout. I didn't have time to enjoy treatment during this stay, but during my previous visit I experienced the traditional hammam ritual, and I still remember it today. Beginning with a steam room before moving into an invigorating body scrub, rich foam massage, and nourishing marine mud treatment, it was one of those most relaxing spa experiences I've had. The spa beautifully reflects the Greek concept of harmonia, creating balance between body, mind, and spirit. One of Santa Marina's greatest luxuries is undoubtedly its private sandy beach, the only one of its kind on Mykonos. Tucked away in a sheltered cove, it remains beautifully protected from the famous Meltemi winds, creating calm, crystal-clear waters that are ideal for swimming throughout the summer. The resort's signature yellow and white umbrellas and matching beach towels have become instantly recognizable, while attentive beach service ensures everything you need is brought directly to your sun lounger. At one end of the beach, a wooden deck stretches out over the water, furnished with elegant canopy daybeds that offer panoramic views of the resort. It's the perfect spot to unwind with a drink from the beach bar or simply soak in the peaceful surroundings. During the summer season, the bay also becomes a popular anchorage for private yachts. Many guests arrive directly by sea, mooring just offshore before stepping onto the resort via Santa Marina's private jetty. On an island where traveling by boat is often the quickest and most enjoyable way to get around, it's a wonderful feature that adds to the resort's exclusive yet effortlessly relaxed atmosphere.
Now we're at the boutique of the resort, and honestly this place looks like the Emily in Paris wardrobe. Everything is beautiful, international, Greek brands, and as you can see the style is perfect and summery, and yeah, let's see what they have.
Perched above the private beach is one of Santa Marina's most iconic venues, Buddha Bar Beach. In fact, this was the very first Buddha Bar Beach in the world, bringing the famous Parisian lifestyle concept to Mykonos. Throughout the day, guests can enjoy Mediterranean and Japanese fusion cuisine alongside the restaurant's signature Buddha Bar dishes, all while taking in spectacular views over the Aegean. I actually had dinner here during my previous stay at Santa Marina, and I honestly can't believe how quickly time flies. Coming back all these years later brought back so many wonderful memories. As the sun begins to set, the atmosphere changes completely, with internationally renowned DJs creating the signature Buddha Bar soundtrack that has made this one of Mykonos' most celebrated sunset destinations. By now, our room was ready, so let me show you where we stayed for the next 2 nights. This is the resort suite, a beautifully designed 40 square meter open plan suite that combines the bedroom and living room area in one elegant space. The interiors are bright, contemporary, and inspired by Cycladic simplicity, with natural materials, soft neutral colors, and beautiful views across the Aegean. I also appreciated having a comfortable sitting area and a proper work desk, perfect for catching up on a little work before heading back to enjoy the island. From the bedroom, there's a door that opens up to a walk-in wardrobe that leads into the marble bathroom. Our suite featured a separate walk-in rain shower, a separate WC, and luxurious Espa toiletries, bringing the same quality products into the room. It's these thoughtful details that really elevate the overall stay. Another detail I really liked was the selection of bathroom amenities, alongside toothbrushes and toothpaste by Elais dental products made with eco-friendly ingredients and a commitment to health and sustainability. There was also mouthwash provided, which I thought was a nice touch. The room also includes an espresso coffee machine, a well-stocked minibar, and Santa Marina's own signature fragrance diffusers, giving the suite its own fresh and distinctive scent. But my favorite part was undoubtedly the terrace. With two comfortable sun loungers overlooking Ornos Bay, it became the perfect place to enjoy a quiet coffee in the morning or simply pause and admire the endless shades of blue stretching across the Aegean.
Santa Marina is celebrating their 40th anniversary this year, so this is a welcome gift they had in the room. It's amygdalata, which is a special Mykonos sweet. Let's see. Okay, let's try this one. It's really nice.
After unpacking and settling in our room, we headed to Elais Restaurant for lunch. The menu combines Greek and Mediterranean cuisine with plenty of international favorites, making it an excellent option whether you're in the mood for seafood, pasta, fresh salads, pizza, or lighter dishes by the pool. We decided on a burrata salad to start, followed by seafood pasta and a classic carbonara. It's a relaxed setting overlooking the gardens and the sea, making it just as enjoyable for a leisurely lunch as it is for dinner. After lunch, it was finally time to enjoy the beach, and for me this was actually my first swim of the season. The water was wonderfully calm and we were extremely lucky with the weather. Mykonos does get very windy. We also ordered one of the resort's Brothers Bond Bourbon signature cocktails and spent the afternoon simply enjoying the sunshine. As part of the Santa Marina's 40th anniversary celebrations, the resort has created a wonderful calendar of special experiences throughout the summer. One of the events is the Sunset Bourbon Experience, held every Wednesday during July and August in collaboration with Brothers Bond Bourbon. Guests enjoy an intimate tasting of signature cocktails paired with gastronomy and cigars, all overlooking one of the most spectacular sunset views on Mykonos. As the afternoon slowly turned into evening, the atmosphere across the resort became even more magical. The lights softened and the colors of the Aegean changed by the minute. That evening we were also treated to something rather special, a beautiful blue moon rising above the Aegean, creating an unforgettable backdrop as night settled over Santa Marina. The following morning started with breakfast at Elais Restaurant, and it quickly became one of my favorite parts of our stay. The buffet offers an impressive selection from freshly baked breads and buttery croissants to traditional Greek pies, both sweet and savory, alongside seasonal fruit, smoked salmon, local cheeses, and an excellent variety of cold cuts. For those who enjoy a hearty breakfast, there's also a generous selection of hot dishes including grilled sausages, crispy bacon, roasted tomatoes, mushrooms, and grilled vegetables. I also loved seeing an entire honeycomb alongside a wonderful variety of cereals, seeds, and nuts, perfect whether you're looking for a healthy start to the day or something a little more indulgent. What makes breakfast here even more special is that it doesn't end with a buffet. There's also an extensive a la carte menu offering freshly prepared dishes such as eggs Benedict, avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg, omelets, pancakes, and many other breakfast favorites. Combined with a beautiful outdoor terrace overlooking the Aegean, it's the kind of breakfast you find yourself lingering over without ever wanting to leave. I would like to bring your attention to the beautifully landscaped gardens. Almost 10 years after my previous visit, it was lovely to see how mature the Mediterranean planting has become. Palm trees, shrubs, colorful flowers, and perfectly maintained pathways soften the architecture and make the entire resort feel wonderfully connected to its natural surroundings. And this doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of the past 4 decades. From its private peninsula and protected sandy beach to its warm hospitality, exceptional dining, and timeless elegance, Santa Marina offers the perfect balance between tranquility and the vibrant spirit of Mykonos. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for this stay. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether Santa Marina has made it onto your Mykonos wish list. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as we explore Mykonos.